Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the Hot Wheels 2026 Boulevard Series GJT68, and this is the H case. So the H case for 2026 contains number 151 through 155 in the Hot Wheels Boulevard lineup. So we're just going to pop this case open, if I could cut it correctly, and see what these 5 cars are. All right. So, I'm going to pull it from the left here. All right. The first cars are the case, and I believe these should be even sets, so it should be 2 of each car in the case, 5 new vehicles in this mix. This one is number 155. It is the 2021 Toyota Supra, or GR Supra. So you have a very famous deco in here. It is the Richard Petty deco, right, from the back in the day on the Superbird. This is the Supra Bird, and it is actually owned by, if you remember the Hot Wheels show, the game show that they just had on I forgot the name of it already. It was hosted by Rutledge Wood. So this is Rutledge Wood's actual car, and we get it here at Boulevard, which is a great application of putting a real-life car into the Hot Wheels lineup, because that's what Boulevard is. Well, a portion of Boulevard anyways. It is introducing us to, vehicles that could be stock, could be seen down any everyday Boulevard. You can see it at car shows, or they're actually real cars owned by real people. So, 2021 Toyota GR Supra here in Petty Blue with the blue Mag 6-spoke wheels. Obviously, you get a full deco here. Really cool release of the GR Supra. This is the larger casting of the Supras. I actually prefer the smaller one with the wing on it, but this is a really nice one. All right, moving along. All right, this is number 154 in the series. Second one out of the case I pulled here, the 1967 Jeepster Commando. So we got the Jeepster Commando moving around. It's retooled for premium here, and you can see that on the base. You can see 2026 on the base. Yeah, it should be 2026. And you get a retooled Jeepster Commando. So if you remember a couple years back, circa, I want to say it was like 2019-ish, because I remember it was a 2020 treasure hunt. This Jeepster, the 67 Jeepster Commando, had a bike in the back. And now it's been retooled. The bike is gone. I believe these tires, these kind of spare tires in the back with the roll bar were added. And you get, it's just a different looking casting. It's almost like a new casting. But it is retooled from that casting designed by former Hot Wheels designer Dmitry Shekmetov. And something familiar with this one and the original release is the Earl Motors. So you'll see Earl Motors on the side. That is a real company. That is a real person. And from what I understand, this is based on I believe the owner of the company's real car. So this is the 67 Jeepster Commando. Kind of a really cool racing rally deco here on the side in orange. Number 23. And what does it say? Wind, Sand, and Stars, number 23. So, again, another cool, just like the last vehicle in the Supra, cool to have another real-life car in Boulevard. All right. So, speaking of real cars, that is our next vehicle. And it is a new casting. It is number 151 in the line, the 2015 Toyota Alphard, and hopefully I'm saying that correctly. But it is a customized minivan. These minivans you see all over Asia, and they are decked out. I don't even think we have I guess they're a modern day version of a conversion van. I guess is probably the best way I could kind of equate that to. It is they're like the executive's minivan, or I don't know if it's a minivan. It's a full size van. and they're like just, you know, screens, like massage chairs, fold down, you know, tables for you to do your work on your laptop. I mean, these vans are super cool. If you get a chance, look them up online and you'll see just how cool they are. I really wish we had something like this here in the United States. This would be really cool to sit in on a road trip at least. But very cool. Look at the grill and the thing. I like the design of this. So maybe one day, Toyota, right? This is 2015. So this car model is already over 10 years old. Very cool. So we'll get this one in all black. Something that just looks nice, sleek, elegant, fit for an executive. And yeah. All right, next one out of the case. Another new casting. We have the Koenigsegg CC850. So the Koenigsegg family grows once again here with number 152 in Boulevard. This one is all silver. I think probably the most distinguishing factor of this one is that I think it's the first Koenigsegg to not have a rear wing on it, if I'm remembering my Koenigsegg's correctly. But it does kind of have that kind of wraparound windshield like a lot of them have from this era. Very cool, silver and again, I'm pretty sure Hot Wheels designer Ron Wong did this casting. And if I know, anything about designers, I know that he loves his exotics. And this one is really cool because look at that. You can see the side mirrors on there. Or the side mirrors. And painted black here in the front. I think they kind of left it kind of silver on the inside, so it kind of looks more like a reflective surface. But you get the pipes coming out. Is that a part brake in the back? The vents, really cool shut off in the front hood for the vents. The lights, just a nice Koenigsegg casting. Hope to see more of this one. That one looks really nice, especially with the one we got last year as well. So some really good Koenigsegg's coming through. And so we go from the last car of this case, number 153. It is the Datsun King Cab Baja Custom. Let's say that again. Datsun King Cab Baja Custom, number 153. So we go from two real cars in this mix, two like celebrity cars, I guess you could call them, to two kind of factory cars in the Alphard and the CC850. Now we go into the world of Mattel and Tyco. This is actually the deco on the Turbo Bandit from the RC car from the, what was it, 80s, late 80s, early 90s? And you can just tell by the deco alone, the era. It is the Turbo Bandit. So it is on, obviously it's on the Datsun King Cab. I don't remember I remember having it, and I remember the commercials. I don't remember if it was actually a licensed truck. I want to say it wasn't a licensed truck. But here we are getting that really cool deco here on the Datsun King Cab Baja Custom. So this casting comes back. We've only seen one release of it so far, and it was in car culture in red, white, and blue. Then we had the chase of it in black. This is actually the third release, the third version of the casting, and pretty cool to get the Tyco collab here. Little Mattel collab. We've seen it Barbie before. Here we got Tyco. Very cool to see this one on this casting. So those are the 5 cars here in the H case. Let me know. Let's talk in the comments. Which one are you most excited for? I think these are just starting to show up at Walmart here in the United States. I know that this is going to be a pretty popular mix. I think we have some good castings. Nothing like too crazy. I feel like people might hoard. If I had to say one, it's probably going to be the GR Supra, just because of the Petty and the Supra. But I don't know. I mean, we'll see when these hit the pegs and which one collectors are most drawn to, which ones hang, and which ones get pulled first off the pegs. As always, thank you for watching. Again, make sure you leave me some comments. Let me know which one are your favorite, which ones you'll be picking up, and we'll go there. We'll talk in the comments. Again, thank you for watching.